Dear courageous parent, alam mo ba na nararamdaman ng anak mo kapag stress ka? Kaya ang self-care hindi selfish. It's actually your superpower. Kapag inaalagaan mo ang sarili mo, mas patient ka sa anak mo at sa asawa mo, sa pamilya mo. Kapag inalagaan mo ang sarili mo, your energy flows better. You feel so much energized. And you can think more clearly. You can decide better. You model healthy boundaries. So, kapag inalagaan mo yung sarili mo, mas patient ka sa anak mo, your energy flows better, you can think more clearly, and you model healthy boundaries. Daan, hindi lang ikaw magulang, you are still you, at you deserve care too.